I want to tell you about Dennis, because he'd be annoyed if I made it sound impressive. Dennis came through our program as a working tester. Today he's a prompt evaluation engineer at Meta, and the thing he said when he talked about it, I think about it constantly. He said,
testing AI and everything that we've been learning so far, it's very different. The reason why I am excited to tell you this is not because I'm super smart, it's because AI is smart and we'll learn how to use it. My message is, if I can do it, you can do it.
He refused to make it about talent. And he's right, it isn't. The move from I test software to I test AI is a set of concrete skills, practiced in a few rooms under a little bit of pressure. Our alumni are at Apple, Amazon, Google, Grammarly, Microsoft. Every one of them started exactly where you might be sitting right now, reading layoff threads, wondering if they're already behind. You're not behind. You're one room away. That room is July 11th and 12th in Silicon Valley. 2 days. Real systems. Deliverables you keep. Links in the description. If
my message is, if I can do it, you can do it.
Landed for you, drop a comment and tell me what's been holding you back.